Hello everyone, this is Shiv Shankar. In continuation to our previous video of CFO analytics, we have seen there were three measures for the net working capital, that was days receivable, days payable and days inventory on hand. So let's get in detail and show you how to control days receivable. So this is a credit analyst application which is in the first dashboard explaining all the companies on the left hand side and due before the start of month. So that becomes our benchmark. When the month gets started, that's our benchmark for any kind of overdues. So that overdue, and then the grand total AR is for sure for the current invoices as well. So we are going to concentrate on anything due before start of the month that we benchmark, and then we go into legal amounts. So I'll be explaining how we get the legal amounts from InforLN. So Infor is a system where these apps are, all apps are integrated. So legal amount is categorized as well as the special provisions are calculated based on the parameters defined in the InforLN application. So we have defined against each customer what is the customer type, and from that type we'll be going on the special amounts and the legal amounts in the masters, and then that get calculated. There onwards from the due before August, that's benchmark getting subtracted. There onwards whatever is the collection of the current month that gets subtracted, and there onwards intercompany transactions also get deducted, and then special provisions also get deducted. That becomes our real collectibles. So let's assume that when we deal with our sales representatives, sales directors, that this is our grand total AR, out of which this is a overdue, and we always have a lot of debates that as per them this is not the real number, it's coming from ERP system, but actually they have agreed something with the customer as per some document. So all these documents are outside the system of Infor ERP. That's why there are always debates. As a CEO of a company or as a directors of the company, every time they have to see this small discussions which is unavoidable some days. So centralization of data allowed lot of data compilations and finally giving us one single point of truth that everybody is very clear about and they're going to follow it. So net due is not only by company. So you have here lot of informations that you can get from this dashboard, drilling to the details like by customers. You are able to see by customers all the data the way I have shown you at customer level and at a sales rep level. We have Muhammad Khan as a sales rep, so we need to check what is his overdue. So he must collect 1.7 million before end of the month. So that's still he need to collect. So far he has collected 613,000. Good thing you can see here that this customer is categorized as policy as well as specific, which means customer debates and has some concerns about some of the invoices which they don't agree and some of the invoices which they agree. So that's why it is having dual status for this customer. So we have three statuses for a customer: policy, specific and legal. So that's all is going to decide what exactly we're going to collect from a customer by each month. So the same thing can be seen by aging also. In the aging you can see that in Rayad Industries, Star Fact customer is having a total AR of 28,000. So how that aging and all that is also similarly distributed. So you can also see what is the credit limit. So I come back and I just go to the comment section, and you can say that Qatar relation cutoff, specific and relation, customer run away from UAE. So if you see this run away things, if I search how many got run away, so I can easily search, and then that can be checked also, that how much credit we lost. So it's very much specific to answer a very basic question that's so called as collection target. So generally people struggle to agree with the sales rep what is his collection target. So with this application we have not only brought this information, but this information is finally going to their mobile phones, the reminders, the alerts, that how they're going to collect by end of the month. Thank you so much.